Next 5 travel essentials and travel tips. 1. Pack a scarf. It's versatile. Use it as a blanket on chilly plains, a makeshift towel, or even as a cover-up in conservative locations. 2. Charging stations. Bring a portable power strip or multi-USB charger, many hotel outlets, and this ensures you can charge all devices at once. 3. DIY first aid kit. Essential items like band-aids, painkillers. Always be prepared for minor injuries or illnesses. 4. Learn basic phrases. Knowing simple words in the local language, hello, help, can go a long way in creating positive interactions. 5. Eat where the locals eat. Not only is it usually cheaper, but you'll also get a more authentic taste of the culture. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel secrets.